Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can put this rear light back, this rear bumper light back from Audi Q5 from 2021. So what you're gonna have to do is just like you come to this angle like that. First, make sure this pin that helps the light to go straight back into the position, it's aligned in this angle first. All right, put the thing back, and now when you press it in, okay, put the plug back, okay, and make sure, bring it here, no, and so make sure you push this blocker, this tap or lock back. Okay, tap. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's make sure everything is lined up. Okay, and after that you have to take a T or a T25 or Torx 25. Put it in an angle of 45 degrees, and as you can see, this is the way how you can put these rear bumper lights back, nice and easy. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next one.